The era of traditional VR is officially dead. While the world was busy arguing about the Apple Vision Pro's price tag and the Quest 3's battery life, something massive happened behind the closed doors of Reality Labs. We are now standing on the precipice of the biggest shift in human-computer interaction since the original iPhone. It's called the Meta Quest 4, and based on the latest internal leaks, supply chain shifts, and Mark Zuckerberg's own strategic pivots for 2026, this isn't just a headset upgrade. It is the moment VR finally becomes invisible. If you think you know what to expect, more pixels, a faster chip, maybe a slimmer strap, you are drastically underestimating what Meta is about to do. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're talking about neural interfaces, retinal resolution, and a breakthrough in mixed reality that makes the Quest 3 look like a flickering toy from the 90s. But there is a dark side to this advancement, a struggle between privacy, accessibility, and a hardware war that might leave early adopters in the dust. Stay with me, because over the next 30 minutes, we are going to deconstruct everything. We're going into the leaked specs, the secret Puffin project, the AI integration that changes how you think, and why the Quest 4 might be the last piece of hardware you ever need to buy. If you've been on the fence about VR, or if you're a power user waiting for the next leap, the information in this video will change your entire perspective on the future. To understand where the Quest 4 is taking us, we have to look at the battlefield of 2026. The competition isn't just Google or Samsung anymore, it's the very concept of the physical world. Meta has spent billions, more than any company in history, to perfect, pass-through technology. The Quest 3 gave us a glimpse, but it was grainy, warped, and honestly, a bit nauseating after an hour. The Quest 4 changes the game with a dual-sensor, biometric, pass-through system. Leaks suggest that Meta has successfully integrated specialized AI silicon that reconstructs your room in real time with zero latency. No more warping around your hands. No more static in low light. When you put on the Quest 4, the digital world doesn't just sit on top of your living room, it weaves into it. This is what the industry calls hard AR, and it's the primary reason why the Quest 4 is rumored to feature a completely new lens architecture. Let's talk about the optics, because this is where the wow factor lies. We are moving away from standard pancake lenses. The whispers from the manufacturing plants in Taiwan point toward hyper-pancake optics combined with dual 4K Micro-OLED displays. We are looking at a combined resolution that rivals the human eye's ability to perceive pixels. For the first time in a consumer headset priced under $800, you won't be able to see the screen door effect. Text will be as crisp as a physical book. Movies will look better than a literal IMAX theater. But the real kicker, the field of view. Meta is reportedly pushing for a 120-degree horizontal FOV. That scuba mask feeling that has plagued VR since the beginning? It's gone. You are no longer looking at a screen. You are inside a world. But hardware is nothing without brains. Under the hood, the Quest 4 is expected to debut the Snapdragon XR3 Gen 1, a chip specifically designed for the AI era. This isn't just about rendering graphics, it's about neural processing. This chip allows the Quest 4 to perform